A train goes rolling down the track. Choo-choo sounds are coming back. All the animals climb aboard, ready for fun, no time to get bored. Choo-choo, puff, puff, hear it roar. The animal train is back once more. Lion sits in the very first seat, roaring loud to set the beat. Elephant shakes the whole big train, stomping feet like heavy rain. Monkey swings from pole to pole, laughing loud with a happy soul. Giraffe peeks out the windows high, neck so tall it touches the sky. Choo-choo, puff, puff, here we go, fast or slow through sun or snow. Zebra taps a stripy dance, hippo wiggles every chance. Parrot sings a bright loud tune, echoing under the silver moon. Crocodile snaps